Oh no, sorry about that. Max loves strangers and snacks.
Haha, it's okay. He's so cute. What's his name?
His name is Max, and you? I'm Jake.
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you, Jake. And Max.
So what are you reading?
It's a mystery novel, The Silent Forest. I love books like this. You?
I don't read much, but I love being outside. Every day after work, I come here with Max.
Same. I come here to relax, the trees, the birds. It's better than my apartment.
True. Do you come here often?
Every weekend, usually around 3 p.m., when the sun shines through the big tree over there.
Oh, you mean the oak tree? That's my favorite spot, too.
Really? So maybe I'll see you again next Saturday?
Definitely. Maybe I'll bring a picnic blanket, and Max won't steal your book this time.
Deal. But if he steals my sandwich, I'm keeping him.
You've got yourself a new friend and a dog,
And now, a new friend who reads mysteries.
and one who walks dogs in the park. Where does this conversation happen?
In the park,
What is the dog's name?
his name is Max.
What was Lily doing when Jake arrived?
She was reading a book
Why did Max run to Lily?
because he loves strangers.
Who introduced himself first?
Jake introduced himself.
What kind of book is Lily reading?
A mystery novel called The Silent Forest.
How often does Jake come to the park?
Every day after work.
What does Jake love about the park?
He loves being outside with his dog.